contrary to the empirical evidence and traditional beliefs of turmeric's efficacy. Recent studies found that turmeric contains harmful and toxic substances. Dear honorable judges of Sampurna STEAM Competition 2024, what might be the underlying cause of this contradiction? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
To this day, jamu has been regularly consumed by 70 to 80% of Indonesian as a traditional herbal concoction. One of the popular jamu that has been widely consumed for generations is jamu kunyit. Despite its common use, a recent study to suggest potential risks of oxidative stress, anemia, and inflammation within turmeric. The statement contradicts the empirical evidence from Mrs. Sophie, descendant of Prayata Argyan, who have used jamu for its health benefits. On the other hand, commercial turmeric supplement in pharmacies presented as extra pills eliminate of jamu's making process that has been passed down for generation.
However, to study a new perspective in the production of jamu kunyit, we proudly present our innovation entitled The Approach of Quantum Physics in Jamu Scientification, Effect of Jamu Kunyit Madura in Anemia and Oxidative Stress in Balb mice, with our team comprising of myself, Franceline Rivelia.
I am Prayata.
I am Adyatma Anggara.
I'm Kanaya, Evita.
And we are from SMA Negeri 3 Malang.
Here are the problem statements of our research. This research was conducted from May to October 2023 in the following places. The research type is experimental, employing both quantitative and qualitative methods. It involved 28 Balb mice aged 2 to 2.5 months with an average body weight of 20 grams.
Here are the variables in this research. The process of our research started with making jamu kunyit, followed by free radical testing with ESR. Afterwards, in vivo testing was started by acclimatization for 7 days, anemia induction with sodium nitrite for 2 weeks, then followed with sample variation to mice by oral gavage. Then the mice were sacrificed for hematology and histology testing. Next, physicochemical characterization of conductivity, pH level, and color are done. Lastly, data analysis.
For years, researchers conducted testing to analyze medicine's efficacy with molecular docking. However, this method only studies the connection between singular compounds to the target, diverging the various whole complex compounds in jamu. Therefore, this research was done with the approach of Eastern philosophy by quantum physics perspective, which perceives the efficacy of medicine by things that are invisible yet possess prominent effect in the macroscopic scale.
The analysis of our research consists of physicochemical, free radical, and in vivo analysis. The physicochemical characteristic data showed that jamu kunyit had the highest electrical conductivity, emphasizing rich ionic content. On the other hand, the iron solution sample had lower electrical conductivity and pH index. The acidic iron samples potentially cause body pH imbalance, thus damaging the tissues in our body. Here's the result of ESR spectroscopy. Based on the graphic, jamu kunyit samples are proven to contain 0 free radicals. Meanwhile, addition of iron solution to jamu kunyit samples shows a rise in free radical content, proving iron solution as a free radical agent of ferrous.
Based on the hematology analysis, the jamu kunyit sample had significantly increased the hemoglobin level, but escalation was shown by sample jamu kunyit Malang of 11 points from 5.6 to 16.6 gram per deciliter, followed by jamu kunyit Sumeneb for 10.6 points, and iron solution that increased the hemoglobin level by 9.1 points. Furthermore, histological analysis of mice colon proved that jamu samples do not cause inflammation in the digestion tract. Here's the comparison with no expansion of lamina propria. To this day, jamu has been underestimated by the new generation. This is caused by the lack of scientific proof that fully represent jamu complexity, proving the efficacy of jamu itself, whereas the essence of jamu's efficacy is based on things that cannot be seen by the eyes, but can be felt in the result as stated in Eastern philosophy. Moreover, jamu is a herbal drink that contains a whole compound's bioactivity and its doses differ from one to another. Commonly, the jamu kunyit's effectivity can be seen after it is been consumed, following the Eastern philosophy.
Therefore, it can be concluded that jamu kunyit Sumeneb has the highest electrical conductivity, followed jamu kunyit Sampang and Malang with neutral pH index, while iron solution is acid with a pH of 4.63 with the lowest electrical conductivity. Iron solution at free radical intensive for all jamu sample. Jamu kunyit is proven to increase hemoglobin significantly with a rise of 11 points, which is higher than iron solution. In the near future, we hope that this research can be published globally in the form of journal, allowing this research to become the pioneer of jamu scientific by using Eastern philosophy with a quantum physics perspective, so people can further understand, appreciate, and conserve the culture of traditional jamu in the era of globalization. Additionally, we would like to express our gratitude to Professor Sutimang Babang Sumitro for his dedication to profit counseling during the process of our research.
This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. We are sorry for our mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bravo, Pawi Karsu.